So as he gets his frame, I'm gonna turn my head into it, because right now he can frame me back really hard. And sometimes even if you can't walk and push them back, sometimes they'll throw their leg over your head. Ugh, like how cool, okay? And so I want to deal with this frame when he gets that frame. And so when he gets that frame and it starts to push, I kind of bite down on it with my chin. And then I grab it with I'm going to grab, it's hard to see, but I'm wrapping his thumb cap, okay? Getting where the thumb is. Now I have a handle, okay? From here, I'm going to push it toward the ground, try to get my elbow toward his ear, but I slide this one out of the way and right into Americana, okay? And so I'm just going to move from head and arm basically to side control. I'm just turning and then catching. Yeah. And so I'm here, he gets his frame, so I bite down on it to kind of keep it trapped. Now I get the thumb pat. I'm going to turn, slide through, grab his wrist, grab my wrist, and Americana. Yeah. One more time. He gets the frame, I grab and turn. Now when you get your Americana, you can move your thumb out for the Americana. Now I do something in the adult levels, wrist locks are legal, so I keep that so I can wrist lock. You guys tapping already? Kids can't wrist lock, so make sure you grab the wrist and take your thumb away for an Americana, okay? So I'm wrist locking an Americana when I do it to the adults. You guys can't do that, you'll get disqualified. So take your thumb away so you don't get disqualified. Elbow next to the ear, and tap. So one more time. I have head and arm, he gets his frame. I bite down on it with my chin. Now do I really bite on it? No, I just squeeze down. Grab the thumb. That's gonna help me turn, but can I keep wrist locking him? No, not turn. Yeah. Trouble. And so from here, I grab the wrist, elbow next to the ear, grab my own hand, and I'm gonna hip cut near his head and look toward his feet again. Okay? So just like before, I'm hip cutting toward his head, looking toward his feet. Everybody get there? Questions? You want me to say it again? Attention. All right. So he's got the frame. Bite down on it, okay? And the way I bite down is not just my chin, I almost turn and trap it kind of with my ear and shoulder. Almost like you ever see someone play a violin and they're holding it kind of between their chin and their shoulder, kind of holding it? That's kind of what I'm doing. So when I'm getting the bite down, I'm not just doing that, gagging myself, I'm kind of biting down on it with my ear kind of going toward my shoulder, okay? That gives me position to grab and turn. So now as I turn it, now again, I gotta let go of that part. When I hit the Americana, I'm gonna hip cut near his head, look toward his feet, and get the tap. Thank you, bud. Questions on that? 3, 1, 2, 3. Same spot you were in. Same thing, I'll take you through 3. Head that way, feet that way. Come on, Jack. Go on to my class. Let's go. You've got head and arm. They put their frame in. When they put their frame in, you're going to hold it like a violin. Grab their thumb pad. Now you're going to transition into reach underneath to grab the thumb. Nope, that's over top. Reach under, let me move you. Reach underneath to grab the thumb pad. Reach underneath to grab the thumb pad. Grab the thumb pad. And then from here, you're going to push your elbow next to your ear, but you got to move the other arm to get the side control. Grab their wrist, grab your wrist, hip cut. So straighten your never, ever, ever feet together. Never, ever, ever feet together. For hip cutting, so you're turning one hip down. And keep your elbow bent. Lift your elbow as you hit the ground. Good. Okay, remember, tap hard enough for them to feel it, but not hard enough that it's a hit. If you're barely touching, you might get your arm broke. Make sure you're tapping. And they get their frame. Grab the thumb pad. Over top and grabbing. Nope, you're underneath. Over top and grabbing. Elbow next to their ear as you slide the other arm out. Grab their wrist. Go underneath and grab your wrist. Legs should always be wide apart. Hip cut to your left. When you do that, face straight leg. And the other knee can come up to block them. Go ahead and bring your other knee up to block them. Copy what she did. Don't knee him. Bring your knee up to block her. And make the tap. And one more time. You have head and arm. They get their frame. Grab the thumb pad. Elbow next to the ear as you pull your other arm out. As you move to side control. Hip cut. Go underneath, grab your own arm, sorry. And make them tap. Remember, knee up next to their body, get in. Bring that other one up. And over again for a minute. You may begin. And switch position, head towards